Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm giving you 3 super easy, super quick and super affordable festival looks to get you ready for the festival season. So I am teaming up with BeautyBigBang to bring you this video. It is not sponsored, but it is #gifted. I did a video with the guys at BeautyBigBang a few years ago, 2 years ago, and I will link that down in the description below. But today I kind of thought that I would do like a bit of festival fun, something nice and quick and easy that you can just put together if you've got a smaller budget or if you haven't got that much time, and just if you aren't a makeup artist and you want to still look cute for the festival season. This is the palette that I used to create this eye look. It's quite a standard me look. I wouldn't say that it's anything out of the ordinary from what I've done before, but I will link the video down in the description from where I have used this and reviewed it 2 years ago. Also got a pair of these lashes. As you can see, I'm obviously using this one, which is very similar to that one, so I will link those down in the description below. They are super soft. Next time I think I will trim them down a little bit. They might be a little bit long, but they are lovely and dramatic. If you want to have a little bit extra glam on the eyes, just whack these on. They are big, they are fluffy, they are glam, they are nice and comfortable. Right, so let's get into the looks. The first look, I'm going to be using the Face and Body Jewels, which are these ones here. There are loads of different designs and styles on the website, but I chose these ones. I thought that they would be kind of most appropriate for the kind of look that I wanted. It says on here that you need to have clean skin and you need to remove the oil, lotion, dirt and makeup for better adhesion. Basically, to make them stick better, you shouldn't have any makeup on, but I obviously have makeup on, so I'm going to be putting them on top of makeup. I'm so sorry. To be look number 1. What's really good about these as well is that the main big piece that you put on your forehead, all of the gems are attached, so you don't have to worry about messing around with loads of little gems and trying to get them into the right position. They all come in one kind of thing so that you can just whack them straight on. These ones, on the other hand, do come in 3s, so you do have to position those yourself, but they are nice and easy to apply. That is look number 1. But it's really nice and simple to put on. They go on nice and easily. It does say on the back here as well that if you want to get a longer extended wear, or if it's not sticking, then you can clean the back of the gems with a cotton swab dipped in rubbing alcohol, and then you can either put eyelash glue on them or clear nail polish works apparently, which is quite cool. Also in the past I have used a face glitter glue. That might be something to try as well. For the next look, I am going to be using their highlighter, and this is like a crazy funky cool highlighter. I really wanted it just to see what it was like, because I've seen these kind of rainbow highlighters before and I've never used one and I wanted to see what it was like. So I'm going to use this, and I got it because it's got kind of more orangey tones in it, and I'm going to pair it with their glittery eyeliner, and this is a orange one again, orange glitter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the skin, and then I'm going to add some simple fun things with the glitter liner. Glitter eyeliners are so easy to pick up. So the next look really is just super highlighted skin and a few kind of like fun dots and stuff with a glitter liner, just to show you that you only really need these 2 things and you can really jazz up your kind of normal makeup. So I'm going to start off by taking more the orangey bit, and then I'm going to tap it off. I'm going to start highlighting. And then I'm going to start going into all the other colours. We'll see what happens. And then I'm going to take a fan brush. When you blend them all together, it kind of just makes this like holographic type shade. Cool. I'm gonna focus it up the top. Whoa. You want that intense highlight for your festival, because I think with festival makeup you can get away with way more than you would normally. So I just think if you're gonna go to town, this is the time to do it, you know? Okay, so now we've got our intense highlight. I'm going to go in with the liner and kind of just go to town. Whoa, look at that. Oh my goodness. That looks beautiful. I'd recommend is doing something quite simple to start with, just so you get a feel for what you're doing, and then you can build up into something a little bit more intricate if you want to, something more detailed. Dots are something that if you aren't very confident with makeup, you're not very confident with any intricate designs, dots are something that are really simple but effective to do. It might take a little bit of time to get used to. Just practice on the back of your hand or something is what I'd recommend. But it is something that is simple but effective, and if you've got that really nice highlight going on there, then the dots that you've created with the glitter liner will contrast against it, because you can see that they will bounce off of that. So I'm just going to carry on. I'm going to add a few more just under my eyes, and then I might just add a little bit under my wing as well, which might just be a little bit more complicated, but if you wanted different stages of it, I'm going to take it up to stage 2 next. Oh my god, I love it! I'm going to stop there, because I think that is nice and simple. It's added a little bit of glitter, a little bit of glam. Another option that I would say is if you wanted to, you could maybe not have the ones on the side here, maybe not the ones on your nose. You could do faux freckles. You could just take them across here. I think that would look so pretty as well. I love this, I'm actually obsessed. So this is look 2. Another thing that you could have done with this one, which I haven't done because of the next stage, but you could always put a little bit in the inner corners as well. That would just help brighten up your eyes, and you probably need that at a festival because they're normally long days. You're gonna need those eyes to be nice and bright. I'm actually obsessed with this one though. I think this may be my favourite. Maybe. So moving on to the next one, I have these, they're actually nail gems, and BeautyBigBang have a big thing about nails. Like nail art is kind of, I think, their main thing, but I saw these gems and I was like, I need to put them on my face. So I'm gonna be sticking them on my face. So this is kind of going to be an extension of the one that I've already got on. You can do this on its own as a separate one, where I've put the dots with the glitter liner. You can put gems. The glitter glue I'm going to be using, none of it comes with glitter glue, none of it comes with any glue, the lashes or anything, nothing comes with that. So you're going to have to get that yourself. I have this face glue which came in a set from some face gems from Primark. You can probably get them anywhere, face glue, but this one actually lasts really well and this one is good. So I'm going to be using that, and I'm just going to basically put gems all over my face. You will need glitter glue or face gem glue, gems, and probably some tweezers. This is a fiddly job. So I think a good technique with the gems is to put the glue on first where you're going to put it, because it tends to be like lash glue where it sets, and then it's a bit more tacky when it's setting. So put that on and then pick the gems up. Pick the gems up with the tweezers and then pop them on. You might find it's easy with your fingers though, so if it is, do it that way. It can be fiddly. This is not the easiest of all three, but once you get into a rhythm, you get there. That is look number 3. So as you can see with these, I've kind of gone for a similar thing, framing my brows and then just taking it down the bridge of my nose as well. Kind of similar to the feel we had with the first piece that you just stuck on in one, but this one you've got a bit more control over because you can design it as you wish. I would say though, these aren't face gems, these are nail gems, and they are 3D, so you can see they have a little bit of a point to them, so they're not going to completely sit flush unless you jab them into your skin. which obviously you're not going to do. So you might want to find some actual face gems to do this one, because these do sit away from the skin slightly because they are 3D. So those are the 3 looks. I hope you guys liked them. I would say that I kind of went up in terms of difficulty. So I started off with the easiest and finished on the hardest. The face gems at the end, they are definitely not something that is done in 2 minutes. I would say it takes a few minutes just to get going. This probably took me about 10 minutes to do, so it's not like it's going to take you hours and hours and hours. It still is quick in terms of adding something to your makeup to make you festival ready. Please let me know in the comments down below which is your favourite look. If you are going to any festivals, are you going to recreate any? I actually love them all equally. I hopefully will inspire you if you're going to any festivals and you don't know what to do. A lot of people do the glittery highlights. I know that is a real big trend. The way you do that is you do it with Vaseline apparently. So you put Vaseline on your face and then you put the glitter on top and it sticks, which is really cool. So if you haven't got any glitter glue, maybe Vaseline might be the way to go. It might be a little bit easier on the skin, as you know that it's going to just keep you nice and moisturised anyway. Thank you to BeautyBigBang for sending these bits over for me to show you. If you wanted anything, then check it out in the description down below. I will put everything there, including the palette that I used to create this eye look. And also I have a 10% discount code, which I had already from the previous video, and it's always been in my description, but I will just shift it up to the top for you so that you can see. It's just HDX10, which I will put here for you, and you can go and get 10% off already, what is ridiculously cheap. All of these items are under £5. They're so affordable. I would just say if you're getting them from the UK, just give it a bit of time because they are coming from abroad. So they are going to take a little bit of time to get to you. The highlighter is so lovely. The lashes are really nice and soft. The face gems, they had such a stick to them. They were really stuck, which was amazing. And it's nice that they give you little tips on how to get the most life out of them as well. The glitter liner, this is really cool. I love this. It's a really good one. I don't know if you picked up on camera, but it is really intense. It is a really intense colour, which is awesome. And also these face gems, they are great, but they are probably more for nails than for your face. Although saying that, they are 3D, so I don't know how you would get 3D to stick on your nails with a point on them, but either way they still look amazing, they still look lovely. I think that if you don't use them for that, you can probably use them for like gift cards or something. You can find a use for them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, hit that notification bell on so that you don't miss out on my 2 uploads a week. We upload Wednesdays and Sundays. Give this video a like if you liked it and would like to see more videos like this in the future, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!